I'm going to show you how to add an additional 5K per month to your income, even if you've never done anything like this before. Best part, it doesn't cost you anything to start. You're gonna want to like this video, save it, and watch it till the end. Now let me show you how. First, you're gonna head on over to Amazon Associates, and then you're gonna sign up for free. Once you've gotten your account set up, go to Amazon.com and then go to all, and then you're gonna click on best sellers. Browse through these, and then once you find a product that you want, go ahead and click on it. This is the #1 product. I'm going to promote it because let's face it, every girl on Instagram has it, so it's super popular and it's selling like crazy. On the product page, you're gonna go all the way up. You're gonna click on text, and then this link is gonna pop up. You're gonna copy this link. This is your affiliate link. This is super important because when anyone clicks on this link to purchase this product, you're going to earn a commission. Just head on over to Pinterest and create a free business account. After that, go up to create and then click on create idea pin. And after that, you're going to add the picture from Amazon, the title, description. This part is super important, so pay attention. Right here, this is where you're going to add your affiliate link from Amazon. When anybody clicks on your link and makes the purchase, you get paid. You can do this as much as you would like with as many products as you want. Now that you know, go ahead and try it out yourself. Comment book for my 7-step blueprint that has all the details you need to know to get started.